Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Fusion Markets Forex broker account. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to the official Fusion Markets website. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking the address bar for a secure connection. If the page asks you to confirm your region or language, choose the options that match where you're located so the experience and pricing are accurate for you. On the home page, look for the Create an Account button. It's typically easy to spot near the top of the page. Click it to move to the Sign Up screen. If the button wording varies slightly, that's fine. Just choose the option that starts the registration process. You'll now be on the sign up page where you can enter your login information for a demo account. Type in an email address you actively use and create a strong password that's unique to this account. A good password is long, uses a mix of characters, and isn't reused elsewhere. If there are checkboxes for agreeing to terms or receiving updates, review them and select what you're comfortable with. If you see an option to indicate you want a demo account, make sure that's selected so you can practice in a risk-free environment. Take a moment to confirm everything is accurate before you continue. If you prefer not to create a separate password, you can choose to sign up with Google instead. Click the Google option, select the Google account you want to use, and approve any prompts. This links your Google login to Fusion Markets and can make signing in simpler. Just be sure you're using the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The site will guide you step by step. Just continue through the prompts, confirm your details where asked, and complete any required acknowledgments. The process may vary slightly depending on your region, but the instructions on the page will keep you on track. When you're done, you should be taken to your new account area or receive a confirmation on screen. If a welcome message appears, take a quick look around to get familiar with the layout. It's a good idea to bookmark the login page for easy access later. Keep your credentials secure and avoid staying signed in on shared devices. If anything doesn't look right during the process, use the help or support link on the site for assistance. That's it. Your Fusion Markets account setup is complete, and you're ready to move forward with your demo trading journey.